Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Jyoti Singh. Class 9, as we have started with the tissue chapter in which we have seen the simple type of tissue and complex type of tissues. Now we are going to talk about another very important topic which is called protective tissue, in which we will learn about the epidermis and cork. In this part we are going to talk about epidermis. Then in the next part we will talk about cork. So let's learn about the protective tissue, epidermis.
Children, in this part we are going to learn about the epidermal tissue. The plant body consists of three types of tissue systems. First one is the epidermal or dermal tissue system. Second, ground or fundamental tissue system. And the third is vascular tissue system. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the plant organs. It is usually a single layer of compactly arranged barrel-shaped parenchymatous cells. It is present in each and every structural part of plant like leaves, roots and stems. In stems and leaves, the epidermis of stem and leaf are thick-walled, usually surrounded by a thin covering called cuticle, which protect or prevent the loss of water. So children, in this manner we can see that cuticle is responsible for preventing the loss of water. That is why it is present on the leaf and on the stem surfaces. In the stem and the leaf, the epidermal hairs are multicellular and are known as trichomes. Here you can see the structures of trichomes which are present on the leaf surfaces. So the trichomes help in preventing water loss due to transpiration. The epidermis of the leaf and the stem contains numerous minute openings called stomata, and each stoma is surrounded by two bean-shaped cells known as guard cells. Stomata is surrounded on each side by chloroplasts containing guard cells and 2 to 4 subsidiary cells that lack chloroplasts, and they permit gaseous exchange or gaseous exchange between the atmosphere and the interior of the leaf. In roots, the epidermal cells are thin-walled, or basically cuticle is totally absent. So you have seen the epidermis is present in leaf and the stem surfaces. But here you can see in the root, epidermal cells are thin-walled and cuticle which is present on the leaf and the stem surface. But here in case of root system, cuticle is absent. Why this is absent here? Because you have already learned that cuticle has the main function to prevent water loss, and root needs to absorb water for the process of rest of its biological functions. The epidermis usually forms projections known as epidermal hairs. In the root, the epidermal hairs are unicellular and are called as root hairs. The root hairs penetrate between the soil particles to absorb water and minerals. So basically, the function of root hair is to absorb water and minerals.